Welcome to another Roblox adventure. We are now doing a Spanish version of Cheese Escape. The name is, let's try to do it. The name is, I don't even know. But let's do it. Oh, a key, let's check it out. Ah. Okay, Okay. We don't miss Cheese Escape at all. Okay, I think we'll go a different route.
Wait.
Oh. Where are you?
I died.
I don't know where you are.
And you also have to get the
Why are you so tall? What is going on? Come here.
You need to get the cheese.
Yes, I'm trying. I'm just trying to go a different route to do it. Come with me. Where am I going? What is this? Where am I going? Where am I?
You aren't even going with me.
I have no idea what's going on. What is this?
You didn't even get the key.
No, but
You need the key.
I'm trying to find it. Ooh, cheese.
It was on the floor.
What?
At the beginning.
Ooh, 1 of 14. 14 cheeses. That is crazy. I don't like that. Ooh, there's another cheese over there. You're collecting cheeses left and right. 2 out of 14. Hey, nice key. Can I have some? Okay. Okay, let's... Oh no, do we have to get the cheeses again?
No, you don't.
Yes! Then we got 2 cheeses. And counting. Where is this mouse? 3. Now we need to find the key. Where are you? What is this? Can I get here?
I am on my way
Ah.
to get more cheese.
Okay, this is scary. What is going on? Oh, this is scary. Forgot how scary this game is. It's crazy. Okay.
I've played this game so many times, like around like 30 or like 40 times.
Okay, we need to get that cheese. Okay, sorry. Wow. I was overreacting. I'm sorry. It was... Damn it.
You are overreacting.
What is going on? Where are all cheeses? Okay, I'm tired of this. Okay, let's go this route instead.
Well, I mean, like, you have to look. I mean, like, you have to look for it.
4 out of 14 cheeses.
Yep.
What is here?
You walk past me.
Oh, okay. Where are you going?
You need to get the keys.
Keys, I don't know where they are.
Then follow me.
Where are you?
Wait.
I don't know where you are.
I'm gonna like lead you. I'm gonna like lead you to like the entire street. Okay, meet me at like the beginning. Don't you dare leave. Like.
Okay.
Stay put.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah,
Where are you?
I'm coming, Jesus.
Is this a key?
Okay, I am here.
There's a white key over here. I have it.
I'm here.
See, I'm holding my key. It's way too heavy for my hands. It's crazy. What's going on?
Wait, no. It's the wrong way.
Let's find the right way then. Okay, purple. Green.
Okay, so like you need this key.
But I don't want the key I have. Okay, let's go up there.
No? Oh, yeah, okay.
Why not?
You get more cheese.
Yes, cheese.
And also a green key.
Okay.
That like you will need later.
This is a white key. Oh, do I need to get a green key as well?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go to a white door.
No, you can't.
I have the white key.
Yeah, but come on. We have to go back.
Why? I have a white key. Go down.
Shit. Wait.
Where are you?
I'm behind you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay, let's Okay, okay. Let's go somewhere.
Come on. Wait, here's the green door.
I'm going to lose my keys.
Alright, remember that, okay? Green door.
Ah! Okay, let's just go to a safe zone for a while. Ah, okay.
Come
Okay, where's the creator?
I am showing you.
Are you showing me? Okay, okay.
Yeah. Over here.
Okay, let's go to a crate. Ah! What is going on here?
Now you have to follow the lamp.
Is there cheese anywhere?
No,
And what is the point to this?
I don't know.
I want cheese.
And now you need to get this red key.
It kinda looks a lot like Cheese Escape's a normal game, so I don't really get it.
Yeah. Well, I have a plane.
Damn it.
So...
Ah! Okay, red.
Okay, where are you?
I'm down here, I guess.
Oh, you're there.
Where are you?
I am on my way. Just stay put.
I need to find the red key. Ah! Safe zone, safe zone, safe zone, safe zone! Whew! Yes! Okay, how many cheese?
Come on.
Okay. Is it safe? Ah! It's not safe!
It is safe.
Okay.
It's over here.
I don't know where you are.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Here.
come on. Okay, yes! Okay.
You need that now.
Okay, where is the blue door?
Come on.
Ah. Where are you?
I'm here.
I don't know where here is. Purple key, where's that? Ah!
It's over here.
Okay, okay.
There you'll get the plank for the purple key.
I don't want the plank.
You need it.
Okay, okay.
No, here. No, yeah.
Ha!
Here.
Ah!
I'm so confused.
Ah! Okay. Okay, where are you?
The safe zone.
That is not really a good answer.
Just come to the safe zone.
I don't know where the safe zone is.
You forgot where the safe zone is.
Just gonna go. Nah, I don't want to go this career. Ah, damn
Wait
it.
after me.
I have no idea where I am, so I will wait.
You are at the red door.
Okay, let's just stay there for a while.
No, come on.
Okay.
You'll need to go over here.
I'm not sure this is the right way.
Come on.
Does it look like a right way?
It is the right way. Okay, look. Now you'll need the plank. Okay. Now you're gonna go over here. And get the purple key.
Okay.
Oh my god, the red is behind us.
Okay, let's just stop for a while. Okay. If I die, do I lose all my keys? So it doesn't really matter. It's crazy.
It doesn't.
It's crazy. So I keep my key.
Go to safe zone. Go to the safe zone.
I'm just gonna not let the mouse get me. I think that is pretty much the goal of the game or something. I don't know.
Go to the safe zone.
Just want to get a purple door. Ah ha ha!
Wait after me there.
What do I do with this crowbar? Ah, a green door. A green door.
Wait after me.
Yes, let's find the green door again.
No, wait, come on.
What? I am here. What?
I'm trying to get the crowbar.
Okay.
I can't, I have too much.
Ah.
I can't get it.
Oh.
Look. I can't.
That is very strange.
But like you have to go to like
I have to find the green door.
And, like the white door.
I'm tired of this. Let's just. Where are ya?
Oh, I got the crowbar.
Okay, where are you? Ah. Okay. Come on. Come on, person. Whatever your name is, come on. This way. Ah, I don't want to be here.
We'll have to.
Ah, damn it.
Wrong way.
I think we need to get out of this safe zone and get into a different spot.
Let's go to the white door.
I'm trying. I have no idea where I am. Where are you?
Inside the white door.
Haha. Okay. Hey, I think I saw you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yellow, what?
Come on.
Where is the white door? Where are you? Where are you?
The safe zone.
Okay, I'm going this way. I think I'm safe. Go this way. Yes. What? Why can't I get? Okay. Where is the yellow door?
Wait, I have to get him to get the yellow key.
Okay. 1, 2. What's going on there? What is going on there? I'm just going. I don't care. Where is the white door you're talking about?
It's where like you got.
Okay, I found the yellow one.
Yeah. It's where like you got the cheese and the green key.
Okay, is this a golden key? I have no idea what this is. Okay, let's find the yellow door. The white door. Let's find the white door. Let's find the white door, I guess. I have no idea. Where's the gold door?
You mean the yellow door?
Yeah, or that. No, I have like a brown door as well. Where's that? Let's just go this way. Where is a white door? What?
That's a brown door.
Yes. Okay, 10 teasers.
But I can't play because my phone won't like let me get more stuff.
That is strange. Why can I get a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, but let's just win this. Where to do now?
Can I like show you where? Oh, so now you have to go.
We have 4 teasers left. Let's win this game.
Oh, you're over here, so that makes you have to go over here. Here.
Ah, the crowbar, you have to do it on that door. Oh, what the hell is going on now? 11!
Not gonna do this because it's a lot more convenient.
Haha! This is a lot like Teacher's Game. What? Haha! It's just. Ah, what? Do I have to do this?
Yeah.
I don't want to do that.
We'll do that.
Damn it! Okay. Tired of this. Ah! Okay. What is going on? Crazy vision, what is going on? Okay. 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 Can we close to it now?
You can actually jump from
I'm
there.
not gonna take a chance to have. Okay. Yes! Woo!
And I need 2 more. And I know where the cheese near the brown door is.
Okay, what to do now?
The brown door. Here.
I have already done a brown door.
You sure?
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna double.
I think so.
The way your arms wobble is funny.
Huh? Oh.
You haven't.
And we need one more.
Okay, where have you not got like the
I
cheese?
don't know. Oh no.
I think I know where.
It's got nuts.
I don't know.
But it, so it doesn't matter if it gets you or not. That's crazy. It's not a cheese escape, I know.
Oh, you're going over there.
We have one cheese escape where we lost our stuff and things like that.
Oh, you're going over there. Yeah, but where have you not gotten the cheese?
I don't know. Cheese. Probably somewhere.
If I was there, I would literally eat the cheese, like literally off the walls.
Oh, let's try to go there again. Oh, there. Can't believe it. I'm getting all the cheeses. It's crazy. Yay! 14 cheeses.
Now you can escape. I'm not gonna say where. I go down.
14 out of 14 cheeses. Collected. Now, the grand escape.
Get ready for your game to crash.
What's going on? Oh, don't like this. I don't like
Go
this.
forward.
Ah!
Hey, it's fine. Go forward.
You know it will get us no matter what.
It won't.
This game, you can't win it. Maybe if we...
You can.
Aha!
Okay,
just-
it's time for another game.
We just want to thank you for watching. We got all the cheeses in this cheese escape game.
That's a good end.
Don't forget to subscribe, but most of all, thanks for watching. We'll see you again next week in another Roblox adventure. Woo!